Welcome to What's in Mind. When we sleep, we can hardly distinguish reality from a dream. So, how do we know what's real and what's not? Now, if our world isn't real, what is this place we live in? Before quantum mechanics, scientists believed that the world was deterministic. They thought that if they knew certain properties about a physical system, they could determine everything about this system in the past and the future. But then physicists discovered a phenomenon called quantum entanglement that describes a state in which two particles stay connected regardless of how far apart they are. We generally believe that nothing can travel faster than light, meaning there is a limit to how fast any signal can travel. Defining reality is a tricky thing to do. We don't see tiny particles, yet they exist. We cannot touch the air, yet it is there. So, what is real? In physics, reality means that objects always have definite properties, regardless of whether we are measuring them or not. In other words, falling a tree in a forest makes a sound even if there is nobody there to hear. According to Isaac Newton, if you knew the position and velocities of all ingredients of our world and you identify the forces that influence them, physics can predict what the world would be any time in the future. In quantum world often has indeterminate nature, but simply it's often random or cannot be predicted. But are they really random? What if we just lack information? Albert Einstein said that quantum physics was incomplete. Scientists reached to a conclusion that particle doesn't have any properties until somebody measures it, and they can't be guessed. So, if the universe isn't real, what are we seeing and experiencing? Physicists all around the globe believe that reality is made of information. But what is information? Information is meaning expressed through symbols, but meaning is nothing else but comparison or an ability to perceive something relative to something else, leading to the consciousness. If all of this is true, reality could be a product of consciousness. So, what do you believe in? Is the universe and everything is not what it seems?